Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video I will be showcasing you how to use the action button on your iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro. So the action button is the button which is used to be a switch on all the iPhones from iPhone 14 all the way backwards. This used to be a switch that you could push down and push up. So to use the action button, just long press on it to activate it. So if I long press on it, it turns on the silent mode, and if I long press on it again, it turns off the silent mode. Okay, now if I press once, it just show me the current status. So currently you can see if I press it once, it's on a ring mode, and if I press it again, it still tells me that I am on ring mode. But if I press and hold it, it changes to the silent mode. And now if I press it once again, it tells me that it is on the silent mode. So basically when you press it once, it tells you on which mode you are in. Now this action button is actually customizable on the iPhone 16 and the 16 Pro devices. And to do that, just go to the settings. So on the setting page, scroll down and you should see an action button. Tap on that, and then as you can see, it's currently set to silent mode. You can switch it to something else. So for instance, if you want to change it to become a focus mode, you can use that. You can also change it to the camera mode, and you also have the torch mode and voice memo mode. And there are other bunch of other action button features as well. And one of them is the shortcut, which is going to be pretty amazing. Now, if I set it to the voice memo and go to the home screen, you just need to press and hold it to record the voice memo. And as you can see, it's recording right now. And when I press and hold the action button again, it will stop recording. And that is basically the functionality of that action button. Now, if I change that action button to the other modes like the torch mode, and now if I press and hold the action button, you will notice that the torch light has been turned on. Now, if I press and hold again, and it will be turned off. So basically, this is the simplest method through which you can use the action button on your device. Okay guys, so you can change it to, or you can customize it to whatever you want to do it. Okay, of course there are few options, or few limitation, but it basically does most of the stuff you need it to do. You can actually customize it even with shortcuts to do most of what you need it to do. So that is basically how to use the action button on your iPhone 16 and 16 Pro models. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, comments down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.